Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Steve in Michigan, and this is E320 ASR throttle body that I repaired, and it's been bench tested for actually a couple of days by now. I just never had time to finish it, but right now it's finished and ready to go. So just want to show its operation and actual values. So the unit cleaned up well. I did not run buffer on it because the color of the aluminum is still good, so it doesn't have serious oxidation, so that's good. And therefore this is just chemical cleaning and that's it, so no scrubbing. The underside is also pretty good, as you can see right there, pretty clean, so that's what's important. There is a little bit of embedment, there's some grease embedded in aluminum, but that's not obviously crucial, by any means necessary. So the unit has been energized like this for a couple of days, and activation here is perfect, very light. That's very important to have a non-binding linkage, because if it is, then there is a problem. This is very nice and light, like I can do. Just like I said, just very little effort. That's nice. The readouts now. Don't mind these units; they make a lot of noise, but there's some other units being tested. Okay, so here we have our readout. So basically 4.24, 0.49. That's basically the readings that I see on average on pretty much all the units being tested. 0.49, that's right in the middle. It can go from 0.4 to 0.6, 4.24, 4.25. That's what I see on pretty much all the units tested with this particular e-gas module that I have on my bench tester. Other e-gas modules give out different readings because they're made for different cars, and angles, throttle angles are different for different engines. 6-cylinder, this is where it is. Obviously, when we open the throttle, we have micro switch change their positioning, and voltages of course follow, you know, right there. The voltages, they correspond to the actual throttle plate opening and throttle position sensor, so those voltages must be changing. But again, baseline is there with the idle speed. At the end, usually that one is like 1.99. I'm sorry, not that one. That's pretty much mirror image actually turned out. On V12s is okay. V12s of 1.99. This one is almost mirror image, which is fine. 0.49 to 440, and on idle we got 4.24, 0.49. This is actually really close to mirror. Usually they're not even that close, but again, there is a little bit of a leeway in all the units, so they cannot be ideal, but this is pretty much fine because the computer will adjust the angle by means of other electronics like mass airflow, temperature sensor, and oxygen sensor. So the plate, the readings are just for references, so it will obviously readjust the plate when it needs to be electronically. So this is basically going to be all. I just want to mail this unit out today when I go out, and off it goes basically. Alright, so this is it. I'll finish this video on this note, and it's all ready to go. And this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.